Welcome back to Market Minute USA. Today is Friday, February 13, 2026, and the gold bulls are back in charge. After yesterday's minor dip, the market is exploding again. In early trade, MCX gold has surged back to Indian rupee 1.58 while silver is making a massive comeback, trading near Indian rupee 2.95 100 per kg. That's a gain of over 20,000 Indian rupees from its February lows. Why the sudden shift? Two major news bombs just dropped. First, the Trump-Netanyahu aftermath. President Trump has officially warned Iran of very traumatic consequences if they don't sign a nuclear deal within the next month. While Trump wants to keep negotiating in Oman, PM Netanyahu has expressed skepticism, pushing for a much harder line. The Pentagon is already preparing a second aircraft carrier strike group for the Middle East. Whenever the word traumatic and military action are used in the same sentence, investors dump the dollar and run to gold. Second, the U.S. inflation, CPI, data. Just minutes ago, the U.S. reported that inflation has cooled to 2.5%, the lowest since May 2025. While this is good news for the economy, it has sent the U.S. dollar index tumbling because it reinforces the case for a Fed rate cut in March. Lower rates plus geopolitical war risk equals the perfect fuel for gold to hit new all-time highs. On the trade front, the Mission 500 India-US deal is seeing some major edits. The U.S. has softened its language on the $500 billion purchase plan, but U.S. Trade Representative Jamieson Greer confirmed that India has already started winding down Russian oil purchases and is ramping up American energy imports. This strategic shift is making the U.S.-India bond unbreakable, providing a permanent safety net for our local metal prices. In the tech world, the Nvidia versus Tesla war has a new king: open source. Nvidia's Alpamayo model weights are now live on Hugging Face, allowing carmakers like Mercedes to build reasoning AI that can explain its driving decisions. While Elon Musk's Tesla FSD remains the gold standard for instinctual driving, Nvidia is winning the transparency war with regulators. My strategy for today: the 2.95 Indian rupees lakh level on silver is now a major resistance. If we break 3 Indian rupees lakh tonight, there's no stopping this train. Market Minute USA is tracking the CPI reaction and the Trump Armada movement. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and tell me in the comments, do you think Iran will fold under Trump's traumatic threat, or is a strike inevitable? Let me know, and I'll see you at the weekend wrap-up.